Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video what we'll see what are the different data types which are available in Python, and when going forward I'll upload all the videos which explain briefly about each and every data type. So in this video we'll see. So basically in Python we have four basic data types. Those are nothing but integer, float, double, string, and when it come to complex data types we have list, set, tuple, and dictionary. So let's see one by one. So now let's start looking with integer. So integer is nothing but any number which is, if you are assigning to variable without any decimal values, we call that as an integer. So let's take a simple example. Let's me take 2, and if I try to print this, it will give x. So it is giving the value of x. Now let's say if you wanted to type see the type of the variable, so you can just simply give x and it will give integer type. This variable is a type of integer, so this is how you can assign. So this, if there is any decimal without any, if there is any number without any decimal, we call that as an integer. Let's see what happens if you give some decimal value, 0.23 let's say, and now let's try to print this, and now let's see the type. So yeah, if you see now it got converted into float. So this is the main difference between integer and float. If you are assigning any number without any decimal, we call that as an integer. If you are adding any decimal point to it, by default Python will take that as a float. So this is the main difference between integer and float, guys. So this is all about integer and float. In the next video we'll see other data types. Thanks for watching.